So we got one more question, and then in this question we have the number of real solution, means you have to tell me the number of real solution in this situation. Okay, so let's try. So again you will figure out that we have problem with mod. Look at this, its critical point is 0, its critical point is 1, its critical point is 2. So let's try to plot them on number line. So we have 0, 1, 2. Now look at this part. So mod x, you have to go in sequence. Mod x comes first, so I'm writing mod x first. So its critical point is 0. This means after 0 it will open with positive sign, and before 0 it will open with negative sign. Now same goes for x minus 1. Okay, this means after 1 it will open with positive sign, before 1 it will open with negative sign. Same goes for x minus 2, means after 2 it will open with positive sign, and before 2 it will open with negative sign. Is that okay? Now look at this. So we will go with case 1. Case 1, x belongs to minus infinity to 0, no, no. And you know that like every mod opens with negative sign in this room. So we have x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 5 plus, sorry, we have minus, no, so minus 6x plus 12 equals to 0. Now let's try to simplify this part. X square, now 5 3 8, 8 and 6 14, so 14x plus 17. Okay, now look at this. If you'll observe the first part, okay, so you will have first 0 as 0, and if you'll observe the second part, from here we will apply Sridharacharya rule. So x equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac, okay, 68 by 2a. A is 1, so it is 2 only. Now be super slow. So we have 14 plus minus root over 8 and 12. Is that okay? Now try to simplify this part. So it is like 128, so I'll go with 2, 64, so it is 8 root 2. Okay, so it will become 7 plus minus 4 root 2. Okay, so you can segregate those zeros like it is 7 plus 4 root 2, 7 minus 4 root 2. Now look at this, you know that root 2 is 1.414. Okay, so I'll go with 1.4. Okay, so 1.4 into 4. Okay, so it is 5.6. So 5.6 plus 7, so 12.6, and it is a positive number, and you are in negative room, so you cannot consider this as your 0. Okay, now look at this. If you'll observe this part, second part, you have like minus 0.56 plus 5 plus 7, so again you are getting positive number, means you cannot consider this as the 0, you cannot consider this as the 0, you cannot consider this as the 0, means in this room you didn't get any solution. Okay, Now we will go with case 2. So case 2, x belongs to 0 to 1. Yes, in previous case you have ignored 0, so you have to include 0 in this case, and it would be your call to like select or reject this one. You know that first mod opens with positive sign, so I'll write that way. So x square open, like first mod is plus, so 3x minus 5x plus 5 minus 6x plus 12 equals to 0. Now we will simplify this situation. Okay, so it is x square, and then we will have it is minus 2x and minus x, so minus 8x, and then plus of 17. Is that okay? Now look at this. If you'll observe this part, again you got first 0 from here, x equals to 0. Second 0, you have to apply Sridharacharya rule for this. Okay, so 8 plus minus root over b square. Okay, minus 4ac, 68 by 2. And look at this part. Here, this part is negative. Okay, this means again you will get imaginary root from this situation, and you can consider this as the 0, because in this room you have included 0. So we got first 0 as x equals to 0. Is that okay? Now we will go with case 3. X belongs to 1 to 2. Okay, this time we will include 1, exclude 2. So it was what? Positive, positive and negative. Okay, so x, then x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 5x minus 5. Both will open with positive sign, and then it will open with minus sign. So minus 6x plus 12, minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. Now please, so we have x square, okay, and then we have 8, so it is plus 2x, and then 17. Is that okay? So first 0 you will get it from here, x equals to 0, and for second zeros you have to apply Sridharacharya rule. So x equals to 0 and minus 2 plus minus root under b square, so it is 4 minus 4ac, okay, by 2. Again look at this part, again it is negative. Okay, and so you cannot consider this because you are getting imaginary root, and you cannot consider 0 because 0 is not lying in that room. Okay, so in this situation you didn't get any root. Now we will continue with the next part, case 3, case 4. So it is x belongs to 2 to infinity. Yes, no. Now everything will open with positive sign in this room. Okay, so it is x square plus 3x and 5x minus 1, it was there. Yes, so plus 5x minus 5 plus 6x minus 2. Okay, so 6x minus 12 equals to 0. Now please be super slow. So x square 14x and then 17. Is that okay? Now again you got first 0 as 0. For second zeros you have to deal with this quadratic equation. So it is minus b plus or minus root under b square, 14 square 196 minus 4ac. Again it is 68. Now please look at this part. Minus 14 plus root 264 by 2 minus 14 minus 264 by 2. Look at this part here. This is negative number and you are in positive room. So you cannot consider this as your 0. Okay. Now look at this. If you are considering this 264, so 264 is greater than 256, which is square of 16. So it is greater than 16. Okay, so greater than 16 and it should be divisible by 2. So I am assuming it to be 16.2. Okay, so 16.2 minus 14. So it is 2.2. 2.2 divided by 2, it is 1.1. So it is not there in that room. So you again got no 0 from this situation also. So like number of real solution, in case 1 0, case 2 1, case 3 0, case 4 0. So required number of zeros is 1. I hope this question got clear. Okay.